So this video is about the SeaSense trailer guides. Basically, I've got a 2-inch 2-inch trailer beam. So basically, I've installed them crosswise. You can see there's 2 sets of U-bolts that they give you. The bump is on one pair and the flat is on the other pair. So take the bump, screw it in. I've left roughly 4 inches between the end connector for my trailer, the end, basically my end T-bar. That's where I hook in my boat, basically the tie downs for the boat. So I've left 4 inches. This can vary on your trailer. And then I basically torque them down. Until they were about this much, essentially. And then this allowed the one to slide in, the cross member to slide in. Basically the leveraging action would be upwards, so that would be transmitted to the trailer. So that's what I've done. I put the U-bolts connect inside. You can flip this. I guess there's no harm in flipping it, but I prefer this look. It's slightly neater. Yeah, and then this is roughly 5 centimeters, and that gives you about an inch clearance on the boat itself, at least on mine. These are the 40-inch SeaSenses, and this is their little drain hole. You're supposed to leave, this is exactly 2 inches. I put a little bit more, so 2.5. And what I used was a black oxide drill bit to drill through it. That's 5/16. And this is torqued down fairly lightly because you don't want to go through the thing. They haven't given you a washer out here, so you don't want to go through it. So it's torqued down with a reasonable amount. These guys are torqued down really hard. The problem with these is they've given you slightly cheaper ones, so you can see the plastic bit came out, but it should be enough to hold it in place, at least with the torque. So let me focus on the actual poles. So that's the actual pole, and it's roughly let me see if I can fit around with that. Yeah, so that's basically what it looks like, and between the boat and the thing is about an inch of clearance, which is fine. And same thing on the other side. So here's the other side. It's the same dimensions, basically. 5 centimeters on the pole, and then basically yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, so that's fitting the SeaSense. Yeah, SeaSense trailer guides, boat guides, I guess. Yeah.